Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class I am going to teach you sphere. This is my third class. Let us solve problems when the sphere passes through 4 points. Now to find the equation of a sphere through the points O of 0, 0, 0, A of 1, 0, 0, B of 0, 1, 0 and C of 0, 0, 1. We know the general equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Let us take this as equation 1 containing 4 constants u, v, w and a d. As it passes through origin O of 0, 0, we get from equation 1 d is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Because we have to put x, y, z equals to 0, 0, 0. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. By which we get d is equal to 0. This is equation 2. As it is passes through A of 1, 0, 0, then from equation 1 we get, as it passes through 1, 0, 0, A of 1, 0, 0, from equation 1 putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, we get 1 plus 2u, here d is equal to 0, implies u is equal to minus half. As it passes through b of 0, 1, 0, then from 2 we get 1 plus 2v is equal to 0. Because here y is equal to 1 and x, z is 0. So 1 plus 2v, d is equal to 0, so 1 plus 2v is equal to 0. This implies v is equal to minus half. As it passes through, as it passes through C of 0, 0, 1, we get from equation 3 1 plus 2w is equal to 0. Because here x is 0, y is 0, z is 1 and 2w, z is 1. So this implies w is equal to minus half. Now we are getting the values for d 0, u is equal to minus half, v is equal to minus half, w is equal to minus half. Putting U is equal to minus half, V is equal to minus half, W is equal to minus half, D is equal to 0. In equation 1 we get. So in equation 1, putting this values of a U, V, W, D, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus U is minus half minus x minus y minus z is equal to 0 because D is 0. Putting U is equal to minus half, 2 to cancel minus x. Similarly, V is minus half, W is minus half. Answer. Here the question is, find the equation of the sphere through the points O of 0, 0, 0, A of 1, 0, 0, B of 0, 1, 0 and C of 0, 0, 1. Solution. We know the general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. As it passes through O of 0, 0, 0, we get from equation 1, putting x, y, z 0, 0, 0, we get d is equal to 0. This is equation 2. As it passes through A of 1, 0, 0, that means x is 1, y 0, z 0. From equation 1, we get 1 plus 2u is equal to 0, implies u is equal to minus half. Similarly, as it passes through B of 0, 1, 0, we get from equation 1, 1 plus 2v is equal to 0, so v is equal to minus half. As it passes through C of 0, 0, 1, we get from equation 1, 1 plus 2w is equal to 0, so w is equal to minus half. Now, putting the values of u is equal to minus half, v is equal to minus half, w is equal to minus half and d is equal to 0. In equation 1, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus x minus y minus z is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the sphere. With this, the first problem is solved. Let us proceed to solve another problem. Our second question is, find the equation of the sphere through the points O of 0, 0, 0, A of A 0, 0, B of 0, B 0 and C of 0, 0, C. Solution. We know the general equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is equation 1. As it passes through origin O of 0, 0, 0, we get from equation 1 d is equal to 0. That is equation 2. As it passes through A of A 0, 0, we get from equation 1. Putting x is equal to A, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. We get A square plus 2ua is equal to 0. Implies A plus 2u is equal to 0. Implies u is equal to minus a by 2. As it passes through B of 0, B 0, B of 0, B 0, we get from equation equation 1, b square plus 2vb is equal to 0. Because we have to put x is equal to 0, y is equal to b, and z is equal to 0. So b square plus 2vb is equal to 0. This implies b plus 2b is equal to 0. This implies b is equal to minus b by 2. So let us take this is equation 3 and this is equation 4. Again, as it passes through C of 0, 0, C, we get from equation 1 C square plus 2WC is equal to 0. Because we have to put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to c. So c square plus 2cw is equal to 0. Implies c plus 2w is equal to 0. This gives us w is equal to minus c by 2. Putting the values of u, v, w, d in equation 1, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus ax minus by minus cz is equal to 0 answer. Here the question is, we have to find the equation of the sphere which passes through origin a of a 0 0, b of 0 b 0 and c of 0 0 c. So we know the general equation of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0 as it passes through origin. So putting x, y, z 0 0 0, we get d is equal to 0. This is equation 2. As it passes through a of a 0 0, then from equation 1 we get u is equal to minus a by 2. Similarly, as it passes through b of 0 b 0, we get v is equal to minus b by 2, and as it passes through 0 0 c, we get w is equal to minus c by 2. Now putting the values of u, v, w, d in equation 1, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus x minus by minus cz is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the sphere. With this, the topic for today's class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.